Hello, everyone! Usually everyone searches for master courses and university like this. And end up in third-party websites. What if I tell you can find most of German universities under one website? Yes, you heard it right. Let's go! This is the website, and it's known as DAAD. After coming into the webpage, usually the content are available in two languages. The D is for German language and the N is for English language. Then click on this 3F and you can now see study and research in Germany. Please click on the plus here. Now select universities and programs which is mentioned here. Then scroll down a bit. Now click on the international programs. Now you can enter your requirements here. 1. The course type. 2. Course language. 3. Field of study. I am taking an example as a student who wants to do masters in some engineering field with course language as English. Now you have some 365 courses available, and that again you can filter as per your requirements. Now let's assume you want to go to fields which are considered as engineering in general, or in the field of civil engineering or mechanical engineering. Also, you have many more options to filter out, such as mode of study, whether you want to do fully on-site, fully online, a hybrid one, or whatever. And also the duration of the course, the particular city you want to do master's, bachelor's in, and what type of institute, a public one or a private one. This will be explained step by step in the upcoming video. How to shortlist universities for masters in Germany. Now you have around 251 options to masters in mechanical and general engineering fields. Please go through once. The link to the DAAD website will be given in the description. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.